Are your garden plants collapsing every summer while you're just trying to survive the heat yourself? You're not alone. But here's something the nurseries won't tell you. Some flowers thrive in brutal heat and demand almost nothing in return. Curious? You should be, because today we're revealing 10 low-maintenance flowers that not only survive scorching sun, but absolutely love it. The vinca might just be the superhero of hot climate gardens. It doesn't care for soggy soil, hates wet leaves, but it adores blazing sun. Tough, drought-tolerant, and always blooming, it'll keep your garden looking cheerful when everything else is giving up. If you've got a sunny spot, vinca won't let you down. Moss rose is one of those plants that almost seems too easy. Its plump little leaves hold water like a camel, and its vibrant blooms open wide in full sun. No pampering required. It's a fast grower, and once it takes off, it'll carpet your space with color. Rose campion isn't your average flower. It's got silvery, fuzzy leaves that almost look suspiciously artificial. But its magenta or pink blooms are real showstoppers, and this short-lived perennial handles heat like a native desert dweller. Add it to your garden for that wild, effortlessly cool vibe. Marigolds are more than just pretty. They're rugged. These cheerful blooms don't just tolerate heat. They thrive in poor soil, resist pests, and keep blooming from spring to frost. They've been a garden favorite for generations, and once you grow them, you'll know why. The Egyptian starflower brings a tropical touch to the garden and thrives when the sun is relentless. Its star-shaped blooms burst in shades of red, pink, and purple, and they attract butterflies like magnets. Perfect for adding a bold splash of color that keeps on giving. Fanflower is an underdog that deserves the spotlight. Its blue, fan-shaped flowers grow like crazy in heat and humidity, cascading beautifully from baskets or borders. You'll rarely need to deadhead it. This one just does its thing without complaint. Blanket flower brings those hot tones, fiery reds, oranges, and yellows, that seem tailor-made for summer. It's sun-loving, drought-tolerant, and blooms like it's trying to win a contest. Plant it, walk away, and let it light up your garden. Million bells may look like tiny petunias, but don't be fooled. They're tougher than they seem. They don't mind the heat and keep spilling out blooms even during heat waves. Give them a little shade in the hottest part of the day, and they'll reward you endlessly. Floss flower thrives in warmth and doesn't lose its cool even when temperatures soar. Its fuzzy blue-purple flowers give a soft texture to any sunny space. Easy to grow and surprisingly resilient, it's an underrated gem in hot climate gardens. Zinnias are the rock stars of the summer garden. They burst into color: pink, purple, cream, red. You name it, they've got it. Wind, heat, drought. They take it all in stride and keep blooming like nothing happened. So now you know the truth. Heat doesn't have to mean a dead garden. These flowers won't just survive, they'll thrive. If you found this helpful, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and let's grow smarter, not harder. Happy gardening.